In this video, how to fix League of Legends black screen error. So for this, I'm using the old run. The same will be you need to use. So come to the real client and go to the settings and come to the League of Legends and click repair and start repair. So I already uninstalled the League of Legends. That's why I'm doing Valorant. But same settings will be there in Valorant and League of Legends. After you need to go to settings and go to system settings. In this, you need to go to display and scroll down and go to graphics. Click the graphics and you need to click the advanced graphics settings. In this, hardware acceleration GPU schedule is installed. It should be turned on and variable refresh rate. It should be in turn on mode. Okay. And after that, check the League of Legends. Your client should be in these settings. If not having means, you need to go to, for example, you need to go to your client, open file location and copy the address and come back and go to the add desktop app and you can paste the address here and it will automatically come package and you can now scroll down. You can see the real client is already installed. So in this right click it and set the GPU performance high performance. Once you set this, you can go back and after that you need to search for Windows Defender 5.1. It helps to prevent the black screen. So you can go with Windows Defender 5.1 and click the Allow an app of features for Windows Defender and click the change settings and scroll down. Okay, you need to check the real client is having or not. And if you have two real client, you need to delete one. Only one real client is there and should be in a private and public mode. Need to check, and if not having means you go with allow another app and add it. And after the next step, you need to click it and go to settings. Click the settings and you need to scroll down and go for Windows Update and check it's up to date or not. If any pending items like download or install pending available means you need to download and install it. And after that, you need to go to network internet settings and check the VPN and proxy should be in turn off mode. If you are using any VPN, just turn off it, and using any proxy, you need to turn off the proxy settings. Once all the things completed, you need to restart your PC to make effectiveness and it fix it.